What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Tesla video. In this one, we're looking at a product from Taptes. It is wheel center caps with lights. So the way they work is they use kinetic energy, so they kind of spin and generate their own energy, so it won't use any of the energy off your Tesla. It's just creating its own, and then they brighten up. So let's take a look at how they look and how they function. I gotta say though, real quick, the packaging on this product is absolutely amazing. Okay, so I gotta take off my old ones. These are the ones that are factory from Tesla. You have to buy one of these magnetic things to be able to take them off. I don't know why the kit for these never came with it, but nonetheless, this is what I use, and to make them come off easier, you have to clean it. So before shooting this video, I did spray them, and as you can see, it came out really quick. Before I put them on, so this is the old one, and wow, the new one's really shiny. You can see the thickness difference. If you want to, like, yeah, you can see it. Yeah. So you can really see the thickness difference between the two, and this one's like way heavier, and this one just kind of sits here. But check this out, and you can kind of see it light up already just from a little bit of spinning. So it doesn't use any energy of your car. It's kinetic energy. So as it spins, it lights up. So we're gonna see how this looks on here, and I imagine it's just like the other ones. They just kind of snap on, and are they on there? Yeah, I guess so. Oh, there you go. That's better. Yep, there. So now it's really on, and you can see how they look and spin. So that's what it's going to look like at night when it's spinning and it's on. It's like a red spin in the middle of the tire, which is kind of cool. So I'm going to go around and do the other tires, and then we'll come back and do a quick drive-by test to show you how it looks when the car is moving. Okay, so the car is moving, and nothing so far. Maybe at a higher speed. Second test, a lot quicker this time. There it is. You can totally see it that time. That is pretty cool. The last thing I want to note of them is the faster you go, the more they will light up. So in a residential area, it's probably not the best, but on the highway you will definitely see it a lot more. So kind of cool. And it's kind of just like a red little T that lights up in the middle of your tire. So, I mean, it is pretty cool of a product. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to like it, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think of this product, and make sure you guys do subscribe for the latest and greatest Tesla content. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.